Hello guys, it's currently Friday evening. I'm really sorry that I've not vlogged for the past few days. I've had a little bit of, I wouldn't say a bad week because it's not. I've just had a bit of a I needed a bit of a self-care week where there was no need for me to be vlogging just because I wasn't feeling up to it. I didn't feel myself. I felt a bit anxious and claustrophobic and everything, and I've been really busy with work, so I've just not really had the chance to film, and I'm really sorry about that. But it's going to be better from like today, tomorrow and Sunday, because, well, tonight, tomorrow and Sunday, because tomorrow we're having a bonfire party and I'm so excited, I can't wait. So we've got friends coming, and from like my group of friends, Luke's group of friends, then we've got family coming from both sides, so like my brother and my nephew are going to be there, my dad. I'm so excited, I can't wait. So tonight we went out and got, well, I'll show you actually, I'll go downstairs and I'll show you. Okay, so this is currently what the kitchen floor looks like. This is because Luke's mum gave it to us, so when people are walking in and out, it's just not going to affect the floor. Yeah, it looks a bit scruffy, but I'd rather have it like this and be clean than not. So we went out and got, oh, I just slipped. We went out and got some finger rolls, there for like hot dogs and blah blah blah, all of that. Some tortilla chips from Aldi, and then we got these microwavable popcorn. So we've got salted caramel, sweet and butter popcorn for days. Then we just got cheap drinks, they're milky ones, but I might have them now. And we also got some dips, so we've got a fiery one, and we've got some hummus and a sour cream one, and we also got pizza, which should be frozen, but we'll cook it tomorrow, so it's fine. The only thing I'm worried about, hey, he's going after. As I was saying, the only thing I'm worried about is Django, with the fireworks and stuff, because obviously animals hate fireworks. And I keep seeing things all over Facebook like remember animals and blah blah blah, and I'm like, that's making me feel really bad. Okay, we caved. Oh, firework. We caved and made a big bowl of popcorn for tonight. I guess we can save it for the morning though if we don't eat it all. Well, for tomorrow night. Yummy! Good morning guys. It's about 10:30. Me and Luke are up and ready and gonna go to the nearest shopping centre and get some stuff for this evening. I need like paper plates, things like that, stuff to put like the popcorn in and things, because I don't really have like containers. I've only got like normal bowls and I don't want to really use them. So we're gonna do that. I'm also gonna try and get some Rice Krispies to make Rice Krispie cakes, and yeah. Should be a nice little afternoon. We're going to walk it there because it's about a 20-minute walk, so we'll walk there and probably walk back. Hey guys, so now we're back from shopping. This is basically the bag of stuff that we got. I'll show you all through that in a minute. But first of all, I'm going to make Rice Krispie cakes because I thought they'd be quite cute to have on bonfire night, and I've also got some sprinkles too. What are you doing? Not gonna show that on the camera. Oh my god. Anyway, so yeah, I thought they were quite cute, and I've got like some little sprinkles and stuff to go on top. So I'm gonna do them now. So these are the cakes up to now, and now I'm going to add the sugar stars and glitter sprinkles on. These are the finished Rice Krispie cakes. They're meant to look like fireworks, but yeah, I think they look quite cute to be fair. Hey guys, so we are now ready for the party. We're just waiting for people to get here. I just had a bit of an incident with my contact lenses, tried to put one in. I don't know if you can tell, this eye is a little bit swelled up and very sore. like literally put it in my eye and my eye like blew up. Didn't it?
Yes.
It was bad. So I've had to put my glasses on, which is kind of annoying because when I'm going outside and coming back in they steam up. But yeah. So this is our little buffet section. We've got popcorn, dips, nachos, my cakes. Then I've got some Oreos, got the chocolate cream ones, and marshmallows to do some s'moreos, which Frankie told me to do. So yeah, I'm going to try them later on. We've got some hot dogs in a pan, onions there, which I need to cook later on, and pizza. Say cheese!
Cheese!
Cheese! We do it together. Say cheese!
Say cheese! You can't do that.
You can. It's filming.
I can't see it.
Oh.
You can't see what?
Look, it's filming.
Write your name.
I did.
Did. Write my name.
Sorry that I didn't vlog much last week. It was a little bit of a tiring week, and yeah, I just needed, like, I did vlog most of the week, but the stuff that I vlogged wasn't great, so I thought I will upload this video obviously on Wednesday. Then I'm also not vlogging this week because it's a really busy week for me at work. Like, I've not really had the time, I've not really got anything to be vlogging about. It is actually mine and Luke's anniversary tomorrow, which is Thursday, Thursday the 10th. But we're not doing anything for it because he's working a 9-hour shift, which sucks, but obviously we need to do it to live basically, so I don't mind. Sorry, my phone's just like constantly going off right now. But yeah, I've not stopped vlogging or anything, and weekly vlogs will be back to normal very soon. I've got a video up on Sunday anyway, and obviously this bonfire video up tonight. And then Sunday will be a bit of a chatty video that's already filmed, and I just need to finish editing it. But yeah, I hope you don't mind this, and yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. I think it's quite a cute little video for bonfire night. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye!